Why AFS Engineering? Well, the AFS Engineering department provides the highest quality service possible from a foundation repair company. Not many companies in this industry have their own engineering department. And because AFS does, we bring a tremendous amount of experience and technical knowledge to bear on a foundation repair. Whether it's a historic building, a house that's been added onto, a commercial property, or anything in between, AFS can provide the best possible service to our customers and to our inspectors to make sure the diagnosis and the repair are right for the problem at hand. We accomplish this through frequent technical training, not only with our own professional development, but with our inspectors as well. We meet with our inspectors and discuss technical issues such as how to diagnose a repair, basic engineering principles, common construction practices, and more. We want our inspectors to be the best in the game, and if we can help with that, we will. We also achieve a level of excellence by going out in the field and working with our customers. AFS Engineering works with property owners in the field when repairs are complicated or when the building we're working on requires engineering expertise. There have been many structures that we have repaired when others couldn't. We can creatively design engineered repair plans when other companies simply can't. Not only do we work with homeowners, but we also work with contractors that may come in after us to make sure that everything is buttoned up and looking new. We also champion transparency by working with local municipalities to make sure that every I is dotted and every T is crossed. We want to make sure that everyone is on the same page with our repair plans. We offer signed and sealed permit drawings when necessary for both the local officials as well as the property owner. So why AFS Engineering? We offer the highest level of service to our customers through training and boots-on-the-ground service. We can provide creative and transparent repair plans that meet with every approval. And we offer peace of mind in knowing that with AFS, the problem is fixed.